Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Discord with your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start using Discord to actually go ahead and see what friends your games are playing and see what games your friends are playing. How do you actually go ahead and connect Discord? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is navigate to where it says settings on the upper right hand corner. Next, scroll down to where it says users and accounts. Next, scroll down to where it says linked services. So as you can see, there's a variety of different linked services here. We're going to go ahead and click on Discord and then click on link. Now from here, you just need to accept the permissions. Go ahead and click on accept and continue. And then from this option here, you can either scan this QR code or go to discord.com/activate and then enter this code on the right-hand side. So once you do that, your PS5 should now be linked with Discord. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Discord with your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.